Hi guys, welcome back. Let's talk about the right ways to fix can't update apps in App Store on iPhone and iPad problem. Updating apps on your iPhone or iPad keeps them secure, bug-free, and packed with the latest features. But sometimes the App Store refuses to update apps, leaving you stuck with outdated versions. This problem is usually caused by network issues, account glitches, or temporary software errors. Fortunately, there are some pretty handy solutions that can help you get the better of this annoying problem. That's it. Let's get started. So first off, I will recommend you to check the internet connection on your device. Note that a stable internet connection is essential for downloading or updating apps. So make sure your device is connected to Wi-Fi or has a strong mobile data signal. You can test your connection by opening a website or streaming a video. If your connection is weak or unstable, try switching networks or restarting your Wi-Fi router. Then I will recommend you to restart your device. Know that a simple restart often fixes minor glitches that prevent app updates. So press and hold the power button and the volume button until the slider appears. Then you have to slide to power off your device. After that, you have to wait for a few seconds and then turn your device back on and check if the App Store allows updates. This refreshes your system and can resolve temporary software conflicts. Next up, I will recommend you to check your Apple ID and App Store settings. Keep in mind that app updates require a valid Apple ID and proper App Store settings. So head over to the Settings app on your device and then hit your name at the top. After that, ensure that you are signed in with a correct account. Also check that automatic downloads for updates are enabled. If necessary, sign out and sign back into to refresh your account authentication. Then I will recommend you to free up storage space on your device. Note that low storage can also prevent apps from updating on your device. Therefore, make sure that there is enough space for new updates. Just head over to the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, tap on General. Then choose iPhone or iPad storage. Now take a close look at the storage status and go ahead to delete unused apps, old media files, cache data to free up enough space on your device. And after clearing the storage, try updating your apps to check whether or not you have gotten the better at the problem. Should the problem still persists, I would recommend you to reset the network settings on your device. Navigate to the Settings app on your device and choose General. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and select Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. After that, tap on Reset. Then we have to tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. Note that this clears saved Wi-Fi networks and may fix connectivity issues blocking the downloads process on your device. And finally, I will recommend you to update the software on your device because I suspect that a software bug is causing the problem and preventing you from updating apps. So head over to the Settings app and choose General. After that, select Software Update. Then you have to go ahead to download and install the latest version of iOS or iPadOS, and that's about it. Keeping your device up to date ensures compatibility with the latest apps and resolves many underlying bugs that can block the downloads process. And that's about it. App update issues on iPhone and iPad are usually minor and easy to fix with a few troubleshooting steps, from checking your internet connection to managing storage, resetting settings, and updating your software. These tips cover the most common solutions. By following them, you can ensure your apps stay up to date, secure, and fully functional so you never miss out on the latest features or enhancements. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.